Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to discuss the very important and amazing tool. If you want to build your website, so they are the very important and effective tool. So today we are going to discuss the 7 website. They are the quite helpful for you if you want to create attractive and enhancing website using 5 or 4 minutes. So let's begin. First of all, we are going to discuss the myro.com, or it's a very effective and interesting website you can see in your screens. So this website, guys, if you want to create and calibrate on visual boards, perfect for brainstorming and planning out the structure of your site. So it's a very interesting and amazing website if you want to structure your website using a flow chart, using a diagram. So it's a quite useful for you. So move on. The next website is also helpful tool if you want to build your website is a Figma. So if you want to design and prototype your website with interactive and collaboration tool using this Figma, if you want to use the prototype and if you want to use interactive tools, so here is very interesting and amazing Figma plugin if you want to create attractive AI designing websites. So move on. The another website, guys, it's a framer.com. So if you quickly design and build interactive websites without a single line of code, so you never need to write it here the code, just click on this start your site and it's automatically working on it. So I also designed this tutorial in a depth, so don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for further details. So move on. The next website, its name is Spanline. So it's also a very interesting and amazing place if you want to design your website in a 3D effect. So design and incorporate interactive 3D elements in your website effortlessly. So its website is very effective and interesting. So if you can easily create a 3D website, 3D text effect. So here is just so many things if you want to create in a 3D effect. So move on. The next website is a Mobile. So guys, in this website, if you want to discover and get inspired by a vast collection of web designs, patterns, UI designing, so here is the vast category collection. So here is so many plugin as well as so many application, so many screens availability is also available here. The templates, if you want to select any template related to your designing effect, so you can easily select from this website. So move on. The another website, if you another tool, they are the very effective if you want to build your website. So it's a godaddy.com, and this website register your domain as well, hosting your website with a reliable and easy and provide you easy to use services. So this website is also a very effective and interesting way. They also provide your website's branding as well as your marketing branding, and it's very useful to grow your business. So last on the list, we are going to discuss the Google Analytics. So track and analysis your website traffic. If you use this Google Analytics, so user behavior to your improve performance, and if you want to track your website easily, I think this websites you can uh, so you can easily SEO your websites. They are the very useful platform if you want to grow your business, if you have a small business enterprise as well as the large enterprise, guys. So it's also a very interesting and amazing platform if you want to boost your website. So I hope guys lecture you can easily understand today's lecture. So we will be meet inshallah another tutorial. So don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.